I needed the converter to try to recover old LP records on an older iMac with an input jack, not found on newer iMacs, sad to say. This item works great, is great fit and quality. It's what it is. It's well made and has some weight to it. Perfect sound and not noise. Would buy again if I ever need another one. It solved my speaker buzz problems. Changed from one device to another, new one did not have RCA plugs. Couldn't use my wireless headphones. This adapter fixed the problem. Works like it should, no buzzing sound. High quality, no sound loss. Everything you want in a cable, including good looks. These came in yesterday and I was surprised at the quality for the price paid. I was just looking for cheap adapter cable for the TV headsets. These cables have metal cases and the wire appears to be quality shielded cable. I think I could even use these in an RF environment instead of making my own. They are definitely cheaper than making my own cables by the time you consider the cost of connectors of a good quality. I am very happy at this time, and if anything changes I will add to my review. Used this item to connect turntable to amplifier. Works well, no issues, looks nice. Perfect for connecting turntable to Audio Pro speaker. I bought these to adapt my record player to the speaker system I have set up and they work perfect. I needed an adapter to go from a mini headphone jack to two RCA plugs to connect powered speakers to a subwoofer. The subwoofer had small height clearances and was provided with right-angle RCA jacks to fit into the small space available. This adapter worked perfectly for that. It was delivered on time as well. These are the nicest audio cables I've ever seen. Click link in description for more reviews.